Hello and welcome to Ekal Bharat. I am Ishani and you are watching Weekly Highlights. Today's first news is, on 22nd April, Pakistan-backed terrorists attacked tourists in Pahalgam, Jammu and Kashmir, in which more than 25 tourists died. In protest against this attack, on 24th April, the office bearers and workers of Ekal Yuva BLSP took out a protest march against the terrorism at Jantar Mantar, Delhi. Shobha Gupta, wife of Delhi Assembly Speaker Rajendra Gupta, also paid tribute to the victims. During this, everyone gave a message of unity and raised slogans against Pakistan and demanded strict action from the government of India.
पाकिस्तान मुर्दाबाद देश के गद्दारों को
क्या हिंदुओं अपने देश के अंदर घूमने फिरने का अधिकार नहीं है?
पाकिस्तान मुर्दाबाद भारत माता की जय।
Second news. The Governor of Madhya Pradesh, Shri Mangu Bhai Patel, honoured the social service workers of the Bareilly region. Many officials and Vyas Kathakars were present in the program. Sanskar-based informal education is being given to 270 schools run by Ekal Abhiyan. Through Ram Katha, the work of religious awakening and social empowerment is being done. Third news. The 7-day Shri Ram Katha concluded at Parvatpura Shiva Temple in Ajmer. Vyas Sangeeta Kishori also shed light on contemporary issues like love jihad and conversion from the dais. The audience pledged to have weekly satsang and to do environmental protection work. Fourth news. The 2-day committee training course of the South Himachal Division concluded at Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Shimla. Many, included Kendriya Saha Abhiyan Pramukh Deep Kumarji, gave guidance on the goals, working and organizational coordination of Ekal Abhiyan. All the zones presented the agenda and shared the upcoming plans. Fifth news. Before the Sri Hari Katha event, a grand Kalash Yatra was taken out with the participation of 1100 women, which for the first time became a symbol of unity of all the 36 communities. The Katha was organized under the guidance of Sadhvi Sangeeta Kishori. People welcomed the Shobha Yatra with the shower of flowers. The divisional chief and the other workers were present at the Katha location. Sixth news. On April 6th, one Yatra was organized in 5 schools in which 130 children participated. Donor Mr. Ashok Bhatia and his family distributed educational materials, chocolates to the children. The hard work of the teachers and the enthusiasm of the children were encouraging. Seventh news. A sewing training center was inaugurated by Ekal Gramothan Foundation to promote women empowerment in Harichandanpur in Keonjhar district of Odisha. Members of the village committee including MP Anand Nayak, MLA Dr. Fakir Mohan Nayak and a large number of villagers were present in the inauguration ceremony, which was done with traditional Havan. After lighting the lamp on the stage, the public representatives called it an important step towards making rural women self-reliant. This center will prove to be helpful in making the women of the area skilled and connecting them with self-employment. 8th news. In Pahalgam, Kashmir, unarmed and innocent people were killed by terrorists after asking their religion. In protest against this cowardly act by Pakistan, a public outrage rally was organized by all the city residents on 25th April at the zonal center Gopeshwar Nagar. In the rally organized at the district headquarters in Gopeshwar, the entire society including school and college students, business persons, youth and women paid tribute to their deceased citizens. Vishwa Hindu Parishad Bajrang Dal District Coordinator Ravi Jhikwanji, Durga Vahini Coordinator Mrs. Tulsi Bhatt, Abhiyan Samiti Adhyaksh of Zone Gopeshwar Mr. Anup Purohit and others were present in the public outrage rally. Earlier in Rudrapur also, Ekal Abhiyan Bharat Lok Shiksha Parishad Rudrapur chapter protested at Deen Dayal Upadhyay Chowk, Rudrapur and opposed terrorist organizations and Pakistan.
मुर्दाबाद मुर्दाबाद पाकिस्तान मुर्दाबाद 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 मोदी जी इंसाफ करो इंसाफ करो मोदी जी इंसाफ करो इंसाफ करो मोदी जी बदला लो
That's all for today. Keep watching Ekal Bharat.